Welcome to Very Impressive Software. This video is an overview of some of our key products. viAssets Online is one of the two entry-level packages. It's in the cloud, therefore it's available from anywhere, all of the time. In the case of natural disasters, it's still available and you can get a list of assets printed and in the worst case, give these to your insurance company. viAssets Lite. This is the same as the online product, but it runs on the desktop for those who prefer this, or for the business that has poor internet connectivity. Here we see the list of assets is shown, and you can click on one of the assets and again the details show down the bottom section. There's a second tab called Financial Details, which shows the capital values, residual values and so on, as well as the method and rates of depreciation, and the methods for the particular assets. And just as with the online version, the top menu bar shows that you can run reports that you can choose and run. So as with the online version, for a small company who really wants to do depreciation and maintain a list of assets, this is ideal. So on to viAssets Standard. This is a desktop application. It uses Microsoft SQL as its database. It's a secure database, industrial strength, and it's multi-company. You can simply pick the company you want to work with and then click Assets, which will take you into all the assets in that company. This standard product has extra features. You can record two sets of details about an asset, one for tax and one for management accounting. We also have hierarchy of locations, so you can group locations together. When you click on location, you'll see here what assets are actually in that location. So this package is much more tailored to people who care about their assets and want to track them, but want to also manage rather than just appreciate them. For these basic functions, our online and Lite products can do this for you. An example of tracking assets is one of our customers, a coffee equipment and bean supplier. They have their own assets at many locations, so they need to track what equipment they have on loan to each of those locations. So you set up each CAF as a location and load the equipment onto the program. So looking at one single asset, you can see at the bottom half of the screen with many more tabs and lots more information about each of the assets. You can record who the supplier was, invoicing details, the actual manufacturer, as well as the standard things such as the original cost, the scrap value, and so on. We have the ability to record the barcode under the asset code, so you can walk around scanning barcodes to check whether they are in the location they're supposed to be. If you click on the Management Book tab, this is the financial details about the asset. As a business, you can consider a PC may be dead after 3 years. The tax book may want to consider a depreciation over 4 years, but you can run both. You can use the system to be holding a book in a foreign currency. If you are owned by a US company, for example, you can run this company in US dollars while the tax book is still in New Zealand dollars. In management history, we have all of the transactions in the asset's life, and you can see all the depreciation. If you click on the GL Trans, that's where it was added and the year-to-date depreciation. And looking at the Image tab, this allows you to hold a photo of your asset or assets. And of course you'd expect to have a full suite of reports, and there are many. Let's take a look at viAssets Professional. This is multi-company, and this package has a maintenance scheduling feature, extra fields, and enhanced features above the standard products. The top menu is similar to the standard product, where you can have the hierarchy of locations, assets within their locations. You can see here that there's an HP Compact and it has a child asset. Assets can have children assets. This is good for things like large trucks where you can record the chassis number as an asset, the engine as an asset, and then using these parent and child relationships, you can join them together. Down the bottom you can see the Maintenance tab. This is the scheduling maintenance feature. Every 6 weeks this truck gets work done on it. You can have as many schedules as you wish, and there are reports that can show you what the upcoming schedules are. We also have history. If the package is integrated with MYOB EXO, you can see all the transactions that are related to that particular asset on the EXO Transactions tab. Also accessing the creditor transaction, GL and debtor transactions. In this product you can also have extra fields, so if there's something you want to record about an asset that's specific to your business, you can add an extra field. If you'd like to know more about our products, then send us an email on sales@veryimpressive.co.nz or give us a call. We believe that it's support that makes the difference, and all of our people try very hard to give the support you require when you need it.